The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, look at this video. Right? Now, this video is out on social media. And, it's being talked about. I mean, this video got a lot of views. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm wondering, why so many persons are talking about this video on social media. You see me? I'm wondering if it is because of how the person is eating the food or the foods. You see me? Or is it because of the type of foods the person is eating? You understand me? But anyways, this video is out on social media. It's being talked about. I mean, persons on social media find it funny, and you have other persons on social media that just have other things to say about this video. Alright? Yeah, alright. So, anyways, I have some more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, And, before I present one of the other videos that I want to present to you, which is a mango eating contest, I want to show you a video. You see me? Yeah. This video, right? So this video that I'm showing you right about now, viewers and subscribers, can you tell me what these persons are eating? You see what I'm saying to you? What are those things that they are eating? You see me? I mean, take a look at it, and if you can tell me, you see me? Yeah, and I'm wondering if they actually ate everything that is there in front of them. You understand? And I want to point it out that overeating can be dangerous, you see me? Yeah, eating too much food or eating more than you're supposed to be eating, it can be dangerous. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, it can be a health risk. You see me? So, enjoy your food, but do not overdo it. Do not eat more than you're supposed to eat. You see me? And do not eat your food too fast. You see me? Chew your food properly. Take your time, eat your food. Don't eat your food in a hurry. Don't be like, no, it's not good for you. No, take your time, eat your food, alright? Yeah, when you eat your food too fast, it can upset you. You see me? Yeah, it can be a health risk. You understand? Alright, this video is also out on social media and it's being talked about as well. You see me? Alright, now anyways, I'm going to move on to a video where this video is out on social media, where it is said that this video shows a mango eating contest, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video, but I want to say this to persons out there that might not like to see persons eating and fluid running from out of the person's hand or probably their mouth, because they're eating mangoes. You understand me? So therefore juice is going to be spilt and so forth. You see me? And I'm not here to disgust or shock anyone. You understand me? So for those who might not like to see something like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Alright? Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, so take a look, listen and observe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, here we go. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're going. Guys, you got a hard ass to follow. You're on the But we're doing it for the love of mangoes, aren't we? You don't like mangoes? You don't like mangoes? Something's wrong with her, folks. Going strong. They're working on them. Now, just in case you weren't counting, these guys had 8 large mangoes, either Tommy Atkins or in the case when we had the substitute in some heat. But they were 8 pretty good-sized mangoes. That's a challenge for just about anybody. To do it fast like this, I don't know.
This one good. What's this down?
Those are some big mangoes. Yeah. Them mango they big. You see it? Jamaicans would have said, they nyam the mango them. Alright, so big up and respect to the winner. You understand me? Yeah, big up and respect to the winner. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, if any of you had ever seen any mangoes or mango bigger than those mangoes that I just saw in the video that I just presented to you, let me know. You understand? Yeah, and you know, also tell me the name of the mango as well, because you know, I would like to, you know, buy, you know, or get, you know, one of those mangoes or those type of mangoes. You see me? Yeah. Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show something that I call a manual coconut cutting machine. This video is going to show a person using this manual coconut machine to cut open a coconut and also take the juice out of the coconut and also take the jelly out of the coconut as well. You see me? Yeah. Now, viewers and subscribers, some persons in Jamaica might call young coconuts jelly or jellies. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And you know, when I say jelly or young coconut, you see me, I'm talking the type of coconuts that are not fully grown to perfection. You see me? But at the same time, they are not so young where there is no juice in the coconut. You see me? Yeah. Those that are in between. Yeah, they call it jelly, you know? It's young coconut in our way, see. But anyways, when I look at the video, I'm saying to myself, you know, this looks really, really professional. You see me? And it looks very hygienic, you know? The whole thing had been dealt with in such a clean way. You see what I'm saying to you? You know what? I'm not going to say anything else, you know, because there's more to see in this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look. Listen and observe.
You recording?
Yeah, I am. Oh, man. there seems to be a freezing compartment, so you get cold coconut water in just a few minutes. Just wow, so hygienic too, right? The better easier first. Is something coming from there? Oh, that's where the coconut is coming from. Oh man. So I'm waiting for it to chill a bit. Yeah. I mean, this is beautiful, right? Wow, man. See, he wants feedback as well, right? As the website, Zakonuts. Feedback is important to him. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. My coconut juice is served.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You see what I'm saying to you? And I just presented some videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. And you know, they're out on social media. They are being talked about, you see me? Yeah, and just let me know what you think about all these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Entertainment.